Hi everyone, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing functions. So let's take a look at our first example. Here we're being given a function f that has an input of x, and this is equal to 2x minus 7. So the input of x means that the function titled f can have x be replaced by values. So let's find f of 3. Well, to find f of 3, the x value has been replaced with a 3, so all we're going to do is replace the x value here with a 3 as well. Now this is 2 times x, so it's going to be 2 times 3, and then we have a minus 7. And if we simplify this, we get 2 times 3, which is 6, and then minus 7. So f of 3, fully simplified, should give us 6 minus 7, which is negative 1. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another 1-star example. Here we're being asked to find f of 3. So I'm going to take my function, f of x is equal to x squared minus 6 over 3, and replace the x with a 3. So now it's going to be 3 squared minus 6, all divided by 3. And this is going to give us 3 squared, which is 9 minus 6, all over 3, which is going to simplify to give us 9 minus 6, which is 3 over 3. And now 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So f of 3 is equal to 1. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 2-star example. Here we're being asked to solve f of x is equal to 588 when f of x is also equal to 12x squared. Well, if f of x is equal to 588 and also equal to 12x squared, we can therefore equal these two values to each other. So we're going to have 588, which is equal to 12x squared. Because of course, each of these represent f of x. So if they both represent f of x, then they are equal to each other. And that's the logic behind that. So now to solve this equation, which is what we're being asked to do, to solve this equation, we divide both sides by 12. This cancels out the 12 next to the x squared, leaving us with x squared. And on the left-hand side, this gives us 49. So now to get x on its own, there's an x squared. So we're going to do the opposite of that, which is square rooting it. We have to do this to both sides. This now gives us x on the right-hand side, and on the left-hand side, it gives us 7. So our final answer is x is equal to 7. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 3-star example. Here we're being asked to solve the function f of x when it is equal to g of x, a different function. And they've given us both of these functions here. So just as we've done for the 2-star example, we're going to equal these two expressions to each other. So if f of x is equal to g of x, we can replace f of x by 7x plus 25. And this is equal to g of x, which we can replace by 2x minus 75. And now to solve this, we have to rearrange for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is, if you have x on both sides, you must get rid of the smaller x. So I'm going to get rid of this 2x here, and we're going to do this by subtracting 2x from both sides. And this is going to give us 5x, because of course 7x minus 2x is 5x, plus 25. The 2x on the right gets cancelled out with a minus 2x, and we have negative 75. I'm now going to get rid of this plus 25, and to do that, I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. And this is going to leave us with 5x is equal to minus 100, because of course negative 75, take away another 25, gives us negative 100. The final step to get x on its own and to solve this is to divide by 5, because of course 5x is 5 times x, so dividing by 5 cancels out that 5 that is attached to the x. So we divide both sides by 5. This is now going to leave us with x on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, 100 divided by 5 is 20, but a negative divided by a positive is a negative. So this gives us negative 20. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on functions.